Hi guys, today we are working on a 2019 Ford Fiesta. I'm going to show you how to remove the alternator. It's being held by few bolts here. They are 15 millimeter, and there is a 30 millimeter bolt here for the connector. We can start by removing the 14 millimeter bolt for the negative. I think that's the negative for the connector here. So, alright, let's remove that first. Okay, and now that's out. There also, now we can go ahead and start removing the 15 millimeter bolt. As you can see, the battery is connected to the Serpentine belt. So, alright. So this 15 millimeter is too long. Okay. Okay, that's 15 millimeter. Okay, and there is another bolt hidden in the corner there. That one I might need an extension to get to it. Okay. All right. Be careful so we don't strip this thing here. Okay, hold on. Okay, all right, I'm gonna remove the last 15 millimeter bolt. Okay, at this point, I think we can use this. Okay, eyes out, and then, oh man, come on, almost out, almost out. Okay, now it's out. Okay, so is that there you have it. So now this can come out. Now it's just a matter of trying to pull it out. Let's see if we can remove the belt. Once we are able to remove the belt, it should come off. Yeah, it will be easier to just slide it off from here. At this point, we just want to remove the belt. Okay, I'm just gonna try to push the belt that way. Huh. That would have been easier. Okay, all right. This one we might need a new belt. We might just need a new belt after. I can cut it. I will go ahead and just cut the belt, and we will replace the belt. Because it's ending up being harder than I thought. Okay. Okay. Yeah. It's ending up being way more harder than I thought. All right. Okay, let's cut it. I'm just gonna come down this way. Okay. Eyes off. I don't know why it was so hard, to remove the belt. Okay. There you have it. Alright, thanks for watching. If you have any question, please leave in the comment. Please like and subscribe. We appreciate it.